Hello everyone. I'm going to teach you how to use Book Creator to create your own ebook. So when you come to the page, you need to sign in. You can sign in with Google account. So I'm going to just use one of my Google account to sign in as a student. You will be needing a code from your teacher to join the library. So I'm going to just key in the code right now. And you have already joined the library. You at the moment you do not have any book, so you need to create a new book here. So there are template you can choose. So what I want you to choose is this landscape. Okay, so what you can do is there are two main icon here you can play around. The first one is add an item. This one you can import image. You can use as a pen to draw. Okay, you can insert text. You can even record your voice. For inspector, basically more on designing your books with different texture, different pattern. For example, I'm going to use just a plain color. Okay, I can even choose background like this if I want to. If I want to use this, also can. But I'm going to just use a very simple color. Okay, um, so I'm going to import an image of the story that I have in my mind. Let's say I'm going to have a story of a mouse, so I can Google the image of a mouse. And here it is. This is the image maybe I want. I'll just import it here, so I can resize it here. So now I can add text here. Maybe I can type Chinese word. 小老鼠. I'm going to put spacing because I want it to be as a title. I want it to be bold maybe. Yeah, that's what I can do. So now this text is really small. What you can do is you can right click and you can adjust the format or even the size of the word by dragging the bar like this. Yep, you can also choose color. You can choose whether you want shadow or not. Okay, so that is my wording. Okay, I can readjust. Yeah, maybe I'll just put like this, that will be better. Okay, so I'm going to add pinyin for the text as well. Okay, so I'm going to get the right pinyin for my character, so it will help to read. Maybe I should put one word by one word because pinyin usually will be smaller here. Maybe it is too small. I can put bigger here, a little bit here. Just be consistent. Okay, maybe I'll put 30 here. So I can actually copy and paste here. Okay, I can just change another pinyin for the next word. And then I can do for the next two. For the next word here. Okay, now this is my cover, so I want to have maybe a pen effect to write my name. Yep, you can also play around with different things here. Okay, by okay, who and my name. Okay, for example. So yeah, you can play around with the different features on top. Yeah, fill color, or even you can insert emoji. So yeah, that's something you can play around. Okay, done. Okay, so now I can go to the next page. So I can start create my story here. Okay, one thing you can actually do is let's say you want to have a look on others people's book, you can actually, oh, this is the page, you can actually go to my book, you can go to show everyone's ebook, and you will be able to see other people's ebook as well. Yeah, so let's say you have already finished your ebook here, you can actually choose this sharing options, and then you publish online. um, you can't really actually download as an ebook if you're using the laptop, unless you are using um, your iPad, then you'll be able to view it as ebook. However, if your audience do not have iPad, then they may not be able to view that ebook. So the best way is you publish online. So you just give the title, a title for the book. Let's say 小老鼠, or you can just put little mouse in English. You just publish, and your book has been published. Then you can copy, publish, share link to Clipboard, and then you can actually share this link, and people can actually read it. Okay, one more thing before you publish your book, I actually want you to know how to record voice. So you can actually click this button, and you can, um, yeah, if you have recorded it, let me go back. Sorry. Yeah, here maybe you need to record first, and you need to allow the website to give permission to use your microphone. After that, you can start recording. 小老鼠. So you can play 小老鼠. Okay, so use this recording. Maybe you like this. Okay. After that, when you click read book, then there's an option here, read to me.
小老鼠
小老鼠. Okay, so
You've reached the end of the book.
okay, so yeah, that's the, yeah, here also can share download as ebook, but you don't need that. Okay, so that's a rough, very quick tutorial on how to use Book Creator to create your ebook.